Hey everyone, I'm Daphne. Welcome to my channel. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time and I apologize, and would like on that note to thank you so much for still supporting my channel and not, saying, oh, she's not uploading, so bye. So thank you for sticking with me. I appreciate it. And I will try to be more frequent on the uploads of the videos. From now on, I won't take another 3 months. Many things happened. One of them was that I didn't have, although I had many ideas, I did make a few videos, but didn't think that the quality was good enough or it was interesting enough to upload. So I didn't. I didn't also feel inspired. I want to upload videos when I feel that I have inspiration and something to say. Many things that happened in my life in general. I have many changes with work. I was sick. Both Mom and I were sick with pharyngitis, and I still have the cough left over, but it will go away soon enough. And unfortunately, we also had loss in our family. And loss that was very unexpected, and it will be difficult to overcome, but we will, because that's what the person and the people that leave us would want. So we're going to try and deal as best as we can and continue on with our lives, and have them in our memories and our hearts. So today I was inspired to make my cupboard, to bring all the winter clothes out and take all the summer clothes and put them in the suitcases and stuff, because it's cold. So this is my progress so far. Finished with most of the summer clothes. I put them in this suitcase so they all fit in. And whatever is left from because I still have some laundry to do, so whatever's left from there I'll put it probably in at some point. And I'm going to show you what we are working with. The chaos. This is my bed with all the clothes. Good luck to me on putting it away, and I'll show you the space that I have. I have these 2 shelves here, 1, 2, and about a drawer that's relatively empty. All the other things have stuff in them. And this is the cupboard space where I have space to hang things. Wish me luck, guys. I'm gonna get started now. It's the next day. I didn't show you the end result. I was quite quicker than other times. I finished it in like 2.5 hours, which in other cases it would take me a half day to do. So, but before I show you the end result, I want to show you my donation slash recycle bag, because I have some clothes that I'm either going to donate, some I'm going to donate, and some I'm going to recycle. But also, if you take your clothes to be recycled, they look through them, and clothes that are in a better condition they give away to families that are in need. So it's both, I guess. It's both donating and recycling. That's what is the right term. So let me show you. It's this orange bag. And I'm going to see if I can put other stuff in as well, because it still has some room. We'll see. This is the end result. On the top shelf, I have my everyday clothes. And on the bottom shelf, I have the clothes that I use for work or if I go out somewhere and stuff. On the first, let me just kneel so it can be easier. There. The first drawer has undergarments and stuff. The second has socks. The third, pajamas. The fourth has swimming suits and things like that. Some are kind of a few some stuff that I keep just in case you never know with the weather. And the last drawer has scarves and hats that are warm and stuff, and gloves for winter. And this is the situation finally with the clothes that I've hanged. Here it is. This video has come to an end. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell so you can be notified every time that I post a new video. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye for now.